Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to my another video. Why English is a very tough language and why we can't talk to anyone in English. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you why English is a very tough language and how we can make it easy. So this video gonna very important for you. Don't skip this video, watch it till to the end. And if you visit this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the video. When I was trying to learn English, at that time I used to think that English is a very tough language and I would not learn it. But I didn't give it up, and finally I came to know that it's a very easy language if we know how to use different tenses in different sentences and different conjunction in different sentences in different situations. If we know about that, then we can easily express our thoughts. When we need to talk to anyone in English, most of the time we use basic sentences or the sentences of tenses. So whenever you listen to anyone, at that time you should try to notice how they are using the sentences, how they are using the basic sentences in their conversation. When we talk to anyone in English, at that time we use different basic sentences in different tenses. Like sometimes we use past sentences, present sentences and future sentences. And to arrange all those sentences, we use different conjunction. And with the help of those conjunction, with the help of different conjunction, we can make it long and we can easily express our thoughts. So if you are trying to learn English, you should try to express your thoughts with the help of the basic sentences. If you try to practice in such a way, definitely you will be able to express your thoughts with the help of all the basic sentences, with the help of different sentences of tenses. So already I mentioned you that most of the time while we are having a conversation with someone, most of the time we have to use basic sentences. We need to use basic sentences. So without help of all those basic sentences, we can't express our proper thoughts. So you should also try to practice in such a way, and you should also try to use different conjunction in your sentences. There are lots of conjunctions in English like and, so, but, nor, that. These are some examples of conjunctions. You should know how to use these conjunctions in different sentences, and you should also practice different sentences while you are expressing your thoughts. How we can use all these conjunctions? There are lots of conjunctions in English. You should try to find out different conjunctions of English and its uses. And you should also know about the uses of different prepositions. We can get different prepositions in English like in, on, at, to, for, with, by, from, under, above, across, beyond, over. These are some examples of prepositions. You should know about it, and you should know about the uses of all those prepositions. If you know about the prepositions, then you can easily express your thoughts. If you want to mean about a position, if you want to mean about a time, then you can easily use different preposition according to the position, according to the time. So if we know about the basic sentences or sentences of tense and prepositions and conjunctions, and after that we should try to express our thoughts and we should try to express a story in English. So if you practice in such a way, definitely English will become very easy for you. So we need an idea through which we can improve our speaking ability. We can easily express our thoughts. I hope you may have understood this point. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.